We find ourselves today at Connect Mobile Solutions in Mahara, just after finishing a wee reverse camera and the Volkswagen Touareg. As you can see, the camera is located at the rear of the vehicle, incorporated onto the lifting handle as per factory fitted. And as we go into the car, the customer has chosen to go with the 7-inch park safe mirror monitor. As we pop it into reverse, as you see, your picture illuminates. The bottom section of the view is the bumper to give you a good guide how far we can go if you're deciding to go back. And once again, pop it out of reverse and you've got a 7-inch tinted reverse camera. If this is something that you would like, feel free to contact us at Connect Mobile Solutions, Belfast or Mahara.